So, you're coming to Paper Mill Playhouse and wondering how to use our new mobile app. The first thing you have to do is download it. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search Paper Mill Playhouse, or scan this QR code with your phone. Find the app with the Paper Mill Playhouse logo and download it. Once it's downloaded, open the app and you'll see this login screen. Log into the app using the email and password you use to log into your Paper Mill Playhouse online account. If you don't know or can't remember this information, please contact our box office. Do not create a new account or you won't be able to access your tickets. To find your digital tickets, select My Tickets, and the productions you have tickets for will appear on the screen. Select the production you are seeing to view your tickets. If you have multiple tickets, you can navigate through them using these arrows on the sides. Arriving separately from the rest of your party? You can email your ticket by clicking Send to Friend and selecting the seat you would like to send them. Please be sure to remember which ticket you send and which you keep for yourself. When you arrive, you can go directly to the auditorium and an usher will scan your ticket right from your phone. If you have any questions, please reach out to our box office at 973-376-4343 or at boxoffice@papermill.org. Welcome back to Paper Mill Playhouse. Enjoy the show.